to your health. Thanks a lot for giving me so much of love and so much of support for my very first video, that was the trailer of my very new channel on YouTube. I have created my every page. You can go through it with the similar name, Salute to Your Health. My email ID has been mentioned in my page, through which you can email me. The videos will be created as per your request and on demand. Thanks a lot for liking my page also. And yes, very important, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is very free. So guys, today we are going to start with all of your favorite one thing. And what is it? Just guess. Guess. Yes, it is monsoon season. The heavy rain, the garam chai and pakodi, the very greenery sceneries, and very nice waterfalls that you go through all over your favorite city, and that is Pune. Let it be Pune or any other city, monsoon has one drawback, and that gives you sneezing, cold, cough, coryza. Seriously irritating. I don't want to deal with it. Do you want to deal with it? I'm very sure that you don't want to deal with it. Then how do we get relief? Because no one can avoid going out in such a beautiful atmosphere. Then just do not resist yourself from going out in this such a beautiful atmosphere. Do go out, take care. Yes, and remember one thing. Today I'm going to give you a best cure, few home remedies that you can try when you come back from getting wet in your favorite season, and you have to get rid of those symptoms. Now let's start with our all home remedies. That the material I'm going to use is very affordable, and it is easily available. I'm going to display it through the images so that you can understand it with the names, with the translated names in Hindi and English both, so it can be easy all of your according to your convenience. So let's get started with this. And my very first home remedy is ginger. जिसको कि हम लोग अदरक भी बोलते हैं. अदरक जो कि हमारे किचन का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर किचन. अगर जिस फ्रिज में जिंजर ना हो वो फ्रिज नहीं. ओके फाइन, जोक्स अपार्ट, आई टेल यू. एक्चुअली जिंजर इज अ नेचुरल एंटीवायरल जो कि हम लोग को हेल्प करता है बैक्टीरिया जो कि कॉज करते हैं कोल्ड, जो कि सर्दी जुकाम को कॉज करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से सर्दी जुकाम होता है. उन चीज़ों से लड़ने में ये काफ़ी मदद करता है. इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द कोल्ड, फाइट अगेंस्ट द बैक्टीरियाज एंड इलनेस दैट कॉजेज द कोल्ड. तरीके जिसको कि आप ले सकते हैं मेडिसिन के फॉर्म में जिंजर को, दोज आर की यू कैन ऐड इट टू योर डे टू डे मॉर्निंग टी. Or the best way is take half cup of lukewarm water, take the juice of ginger and mix it. If you don't like the raw taste of it, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey, but the water should be completely lukewarm, otherwise honey is going to lose all its qualities. The second way is that you can take lemon juice, you can take ginger juice, and you can add 1 tablespoon honey to it. You can take 1 tablespoon thrice a day, which is going to work like miracle. You are just going to get rid of in no time from those irritating symptoms again. Yes. And the other way, the tasty way, is you can take it in form of masala chai. That is also definitely going to help you. But आपको बस थोड़ा सा शुगर का जो क्वांटिटी है वो कम करना होगा, because sugar suppresses the medicinal qualities of any medicines or any remedies. So you should avoid sugar, or you should take less amount of sugar. Then other formats that you can take, if you are capable of taking, if you are able of taking the raw juice, that is definitely going to work like miracle. And this is my first remedy, and now we'll go to our second remedy. And my second home remedy is Nilgiri. Nilgiri is also known as eucalyptus. तो यूकैलिप्टस नीलगिरी जो कि बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल होता है, जैसे कि इन आर सोसाइटीज, इन वेरियस गार्डन्स, यू गो इन वेरियस नर्सरीज, आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएगा. नीलगिरी का ऑयल आपको किसी भी मेडिकल शॉप पे आराम से मिल जाएगा. So it is very affordable and very easy to get also by nearby any of your medical shops or by your residence too. नीलगिरी को यूकेलिप्टस भी कहा जाता है इंग्लिश में. ये कुछ ऐसे काम करता है कि it is used by the purpose of smelling also, because it has a very strong smell. When you smell it, it makes your nasal passages free. which is completely full of mucus, due to which breathing becomes very difficult, breathing becomes very short and very fast. So you get rid of those complaints when you have cold. Nilgiri is good for cough also. But in children, the doctor or even I would advise that you should give it in a dilute form. You should give it in the form of giving them in steam. You should add few drops of nilgiri oil in the steam water, and in that form you should give it to the children. In adults, you can take a clear handkerchief, a washed and handkerchief which is free of bacteria. Otherwise, you are going to use contaminated. It is going to increase your infection. It is going to increase the chances of increasing your infection. So use a hygienic and clean handkerchief. Take few drops of oil on the handkerchief. Keep frequently taking the smell of that oil, so it will help to free your nasal passages which are accumulated with the mucus. Then other way of using it is you can use nilgiri syrups. Nilgiri syrups are available in medicals, which you can take when you are suffering with cough. And nilgiri has very good qualities, very antibacterial qualities, and it is very famous for the complaints of cold coraza and frequency. The people who are frequently suffering with sneezing, uh, frequently feeling some foreign body presence in their nostrils, frequently there is a sense of itching. They can also use nilgiri, which also induces the person to sneeze so that the foreign material comes out. Nilgiri is very important in flu also. It helps in flu, in sinusitis also. The people those who are having sinusitis like me, the people who has high cheekbones are very easily prone to the sinusitis. So even they should use nilgiri. They should also use the method of that handkerchief as I told right now. You can keep that handkerchief below your pillow also, so that the smell of the nilgiri can come whole night, and it will help you more to get rid of the headache that is caused due to the sinusitis and cold and coryza also. So guys, this were my two home remedies. I know बहुत कम है, but yes, these two home remedies are completely going to help you a lot. So get rid of the tension, get rid of all the worries, and go out, enjoy your favorite season. So I hope you liked my both the remedies, both my home remedies, and it will be helpful for you. And yes, the very important, last but not the least, is take whole rest. Complete enough amount of rest. Whenever you are having cold cough, you do feel weakness also. To refill that weakness, you need good amount of sleep also, till for 8 to 7 hours of sleep at least. So you should take complete rest also. Thanks a lot guys for watching my video, and I hope that it was a useful video for you. And you can mention the comments in my on my channel, and even you can share this video on my Facebook page also. Thank you.